Brother INKvestment inkjet printer versus a Brother laser color printer. Let's compare them so you get a better idea which one is better for your usage. On the left side, I have a basic entry-level INKvestment printer that is the MFCJ1205W. This printer cost around $110 at the moment of making this video. By the way, I'll put links in the description if you want to get this one or the other one or even another one from Amazon. And on the right side, I have chosen another entry level when we're talking about Brother color laser printer. This one is the HLL3220CDW. It cost around $250. Again on Amazon at the moment of making this video. The LaserJet will cost you more than double the price already. The INKvestment is taking over here some ink cartridges. There's one ink cartridges for each colors, including black. When time comes to replace these, it will cost you $73 to buy a pack containing the magenta, the cyan, the yellow, and the black. This pack will last you for around 750 pages, which means that each pages will cost you around 9 cents, maybe even if we round up 10 cents per page printed. Now the color laser printer takes toner. It does not have ink cartridges. If you open up here, you're gonna notice there's a toner for the yellow color, magenta, cyan, and black. To take one out, it's very easy. You just have to do this. As you see, each toner has also a drum. When time comes to replace these, it will cost you quite a lot more. $250 to get a pack of yellow, magenta, cyan, and black toner. These will last for 1,500 pages. And as I see now, today it's $260. So if we check 260 divided by 1,500, this equals to around 17 cents per page printed. Again, it's quite a lot more comparing to the INKvestment. So let's talk about differences. Usually inkjet printers print quite a lot slower if you compare them to laser printer, and this is no different over here. This INKvestment printer is able to print at 10 pages per minute in black and white and 5 pages per minute in color, while the color LaserJet printer is able to print 19 pages per minute even in color. So in a way, if you're just going to print in color, this one will be 4 times faster. And if you're using a printer for your business, or if you're a teacher and you require quick copies one after another, it could make a huge difference. Now again, this INKvestment is an entry level. They also make more expensive models that print a bit faster. But at the same time, we can say the same thing for the laser one. They make more expensive one that are able to print even faster than 19 pages per minute. Another difference, at least between these two models, is that this one over here is able to take 150 sheets of paper, while the color LaserJet printer can take 250 sheets of paper, which again, you'll not need to replace them often. Now let's check the print quality difference. Here I have side by side the same picture that I've printed with the inkjet printer, the INKvestment, and over here the color LaserJet. And there's a huge difference. First of all, let's talk about resolution, details. The INKvestment is able to print at 6,000 by 8,200 dpi, while the color LaserJet at only 2,400 by 600 dpi. This means you'll get a lot more details with the INKvestment. It's maybe hard to see on camera, but in person it's definitely visible. Another thing that is visible is how the colors are printed on both of these. Over here on the INKvestment, the colors are popping, especially the green. If you look over here compared to there, here they're a bit more dull, and this is normal because color LaserJet printers are not especially made to print pictures. They're great if you print documents with pictures from time to time, but nothing at the professional grade. You can also notice the gradient. Over here you see the green goes from a lighter green to a darker green, much deeper. And if we compare with the laser one, there's a lot less nuance. It goes from almost black to green to something yellow. You'll get more details, more resolution, and the colors will look much better on the INKvestment. If you're only printing pictures from time to time for your family, the color laser jet will be fine enough, in my opinion. If you're printing text with some graphics, both of these are able to produce really nice results. Now, what are the other differences? Well, this one, although it's much cheaper, the INKvestment, has a scanner integrated. The Brother color laser printer does not have a scanner, at least for $250. They're selling more expensive models that will have one of those integrated. But again, you'll have to pay quite a lot more, 3 times the price of this one to get that feature. Another difference is the size. The INKvestment is much smaller, a lot lighter. This one is, I think, around 26 pounds. It's hard to move. Once you have put it on your desk, I don't think you're gonna move it around from room to room. This one is very light, and in case you change your mind, or let's say you have a project to do on this table, you won't have any problems removing it and putting it back. But by far the biggest difference, and the one I think that you should concentrate on, is the fact that since this is an inkjet printer, the ink may dry out if you don't use it often. If you don't print every, let's say, 2 weeks, at least one page full color, the ink will dry. Any person that had an inkjet printer in the past knows how frustrating it is to unclog the machine, and sometimes it doesn't unclog. You just have to throw it in the garbage. If you do not print in color often, this is not a good choice. If you're going on vacation during, let's say, a month, 2 months, when you come back, this printer, the ink of this printer will be dry and you'll be in trouble. With a color laserjet printer, the ink never dries out. You can stop printing during 2 years, come back, and the printer will work the same way it was before. If you're buying a printer to mostly print pictures, get the INKvestment. You will also be able to print on glossy paper, thing that you cannot do with this one. If you're buying a printer for school or maybe your business, and it will mostly print black and white text with some small graphics from time to time, maybe your logo will be in color, maybe a small part of the page will be in color, well, I think the Brother laser color printer is a better choice. It costs more, but you don't have to worry about the ink drying. You can print in black and white and maybe just once a month print in color. You won't have any issues. With this one, if you do this, unfortunately the printer won't last too long. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below if I have forgot something. Again, check my Amazon links if you want to purchase this one, that one, or I'll put other printers I recommend. And I'll see you in the next video.